What's up everybody? In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect to your PC from your cell phone. And you can connect from anywhere as long as you have internet on both devices. For this video, we're going to be using Teamviewer Remote Control. This is free application for non-commercial use only. So if you're going to be using for commercial purposes, then you'll have to purchase license. But if you're just helping somebody out or you're just using for your friends, for yourself, you can use it for free. So on your cell phone, you need to go to your either App Store or Google Play Store and type Teamviewer, and then we need to download this Teamviewer Remote Control app. Once you have downloaded, press on Open, and then you'll see this window. So then go to your computer and go to this website, teamviewer.com, and then we need to press on Download for free. And then it's either going to start downloading, or if it's not going to start downloading, you can just press on direct download, and then the link is going to pop up and then it's going to download. Once the download is complete, you can press on open file, or you can press on show in folder. Either way, it's going to be in your download folder, and then in your download folder, double click on Teamviewer Setup. And right here, we're going to have a few different options. So first option, default installation, basically it's just gonna install and you will always have on your computer. This is recommended if, for example, you're gonna have to access this certain computer many times or all the time. And then there's another option, install and set up unattended access to this device. And then there's a third option, run only one-time use. That's what I'm gonna use for this tutorial only. This option is really good if you just need to have access to a specific computer only one time, and then press on accept run. And then this window is going to appear. We just have to put a check mark here, accept all the terms and conditions, and then press on continue. And that's it. We will be presented with this screen. So right here, this is your ID and this is your password. So you will have to type this ID on your cell phone where it says partner ID, and then press on remote control. And then for the password, just type that password and then press OK. And now it's going to try to establish connection. And that's it. As you can see right now, I'm actually connected to my computer using cell phone. Just to let you know, if you are running just one time and not installing application, your partner ID most likely is going to be the same, but password is always going to be different. Don't worry about if, for example, you're going to leave it running or you're going to start it up again, that maybe somebody who was connected previously will know your password. Password is going to be generated different every single time. And from here, you can control your computer. As you can see, mouse pointer is moving. Most likely it's going to be like a second delay or so, but it's still going to work just fine. As you can see, we can minimize this. Also, right here in the bottom on the cell phone, as you can see, there is a pointer. We can press on that and this option is going to appear. We'll have option to set to touch mode. If we're going to set to touch mode, it's basically going to use like a cell phone option. Instead of pointer, we're going to be able to use a touch mode. So you can use either one, whatever you prefer. I think I actually prefer pointer because I think it's more responsive and better, unless if you're going to use stylus or something else, then maybe a touch function is going to be better for you. But in my case, I like mouse mode. And this is pretty much it. That's how you can remotely control somebody else's computer using cell phone. Also, you can use same software to connect from computer to computer. And this is pretty much it. Link I'm going to leave in the description below. And if this video was helpful to you, press that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.